Do you want results like this? What about this? Well, guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can get everything removed from your credit report. I mean, collections, charge off, late payments, medical bills, inquiries, you name it, guys. I'm going to give you guys a step by step, legit way to remove anything from your credit report. Yes, this is going to be one of the biggest life hacks that you probably ever going to hear. And I'm going to give you guys every detail step by step. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove every and anything from your credit report. But before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It also allows YouTube to push us within their algorithm and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. We're going to basically attack every aspect of negative marks on your credit report. Now, this hack works for collections, charge off, inquiries, installments, credit card debt, you name it, guys, because basically what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a synopsis before I switch over to my monitor. What we're going to do, we're going to set a trap for the credit bureaus, and we're going to set a trap before we even get to asking for any deletion. The trap is going to be set, and once the trap is set, it will be a perfect recipe for removals. Let me explain. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to ask the credit bureaus to verify everything. We're going to ask them to verify that everything on your credit report is accurate, because by law everything has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable, right? So by law you have every right to ask for an accuracy report of the credit report reporting, right? So that means that you want to make sure that everything on the credit report is right. That is their job, not yours. Your job is not to make sure that everything is correct. When they report it to the credit report, it is their job to make sure the placement of the items that's being reported is correct as well. So we're going to basically find the inaccuracies, and we're going to find the inaccuracies before we've asked them to delete it. We're going to basically hope that they don't find them as well, because if they do find them, then we have to go in a different direction. But 90% of the time they don't find them a lot of the time, and they basically send you a response that everything is verified. That's what you're looking to do. You're looking to get the response that everything is verified. And the reason you want to do that is because once everything is 100% verified on their end and you're still showing that inaccuracies on your end, that is a perfect recipe to go to the next secondary bureau to get it removed. So guys, now I'm going to go over to my screen and explain this a little better so you can understand step by step on how this works. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So first that we have to do, first and foremost, is repair the credit, right? So if you have anything derogatory on your credit report, you're not going to be successful in achieving a 700 or 800 credit score, right? So you want to get everything removed. This system is going to be a foolproof system that allows you to remove every and anything negative on your report. I mean, collections, charge off, increase, anything. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you want to do is survey your credit report, right? So you want to basically look for anything that's not correct. Everything on your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable, right? So basically everything on your credit report will be be structured like this, right? You'll have your account number, account type, account, the bureau code, account status, monthly payment. And what you're looking for right now is any inconsistency, right? So you're looking for anything that's not correct, right? You don't really know every account number by heart, but if you see the account number is 157800 here, and is 157800 here, 157800 here, then that can be correct. But if you scroll down and you see account status and you see paid here, and then on Equifax it's showing up as derogatory. Now, one can be right and one can be wrong, right? But at the end of the day, like I said, everything has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable. So we're going to set the trap for the credit bureau initially, and then we're going to get the items removed. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for anything inconsistent. So paid, derogatory, inconsistent. 717, 71, 71, inconsistent. 348, 0, 300, inconsistent. So guys, what you want to do is you're going to want to print your credit report out and highlight every inconsistency on your credit report to show proof that it's not accurate. Like I said, it has to be 100% accurate, verifiable, and timely. Collection, charge off, collection, 919, 1201, inconsistency. So guys, this is the leverage that you're going to take with you to get the items removed, right? As you can see on the Cornell Law website, 15 U.S. Code 1681 basically said whenever a consumer reporting agency prepares a consumer report, it shall follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy for the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates. So guys, like I said, everything has to be 100% accurate. And as you can see, your credit report is showing inconsistency, basically showing inaccuracies, right? So we're going to go over to the My Credit Approved system. This is the system that I was telling you guys about that's going to remove everything. This is what it's going to look like once your credit report is fully imported into our system. All of your negative items will be here, and you will have a search bar to basically pick the item that you want to dispute. In this case, we're going to pick a random one. Let's pick Synchrony Bank, right? So we're going to pick Synchrony Bank, and we're going to start creating the letter. Now, you want to click round 2. Pay attention, guys, because this is very important. You're going to want to click round 2 and scroll all the way down until you see YouTube setup letter. It's going to literally be probably in the middle of the section. Once you scroll all the way down, you click that, and then you deselect for purposes. Now, if you are looking to dispute everything, then guys, you're going to dispute everything. You're going to select all of it, but for this purpose, we're going to dispute one account. We're not going to dispute everything for this video. Let me find the account that I want. So let's do Bank of America and next. So as you can see, guys, this is the letter. Now, this letter is comprised of all of the negative items that we're looking for with the method that we want to dispute. But just listen to the verbiage. I received a copy of my credit report with the intention of trying to improve my credit and take care of responsibilities, and notice a few accounts that I wanted a little bit more explanation. So guys, in this letter, you're not going to ask them to remove it. You're asking them to accurately verify all of the items on the credit report as being accurate. You're not looking to get these items removed initially, because this is the trap. You're going to ask them to verify the items, and once your items come back, once they come back with the same inaccuracies and the same inconsistencies, you're going to take that follow-up credit report, and then we're going to go to the secondary agency to file a claim and get it removed. But right now, this is the verbiage. Are you familiar with something called section of 15 USC section 1681? This is the same section that I just explained to you guys over on the Cornell website here, and this is the verbiage that you're going to need, guys. Now, you can take a screenshot of this, but if you are going to use the software, it has everything that you need. This is basically a trap letter to basically set the trap for the credit bureaus to survey the credit report and accurately confirm everything is accurate. Once you get something back that is verified, that's exactly what you want, and then we're going to go over to the secondary bureau. So guys, this is the secondary bureau called the CFPB, stand for Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and this is the bureau that is going to govern the credit bureaus that report your credit information. So if you want to file a complaint with the credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian, you're going to come here, and then you're going to click submit a complaint. So once you come and send all of your documents off for the trap letter, once you get the response back, that's when you're going to come here. You're going to come back with the response. Once you get the response back, what you're going to do is basically look at everything on your new credit report and if it's the same, you're ready to go, guys. It's ready to come off. Here we go. So you're going to click submit a complaint, and then you're going to click start a new complaint, right? So once you click start a new complaint, it's going to look like this. It said, what do you want to complain about? Is going to be credit report and credit repair services. It's going to be credit reporting. You're going to go to the next option. Okay, what's the problem that you are having? Incorrect information on your credit note. It's going to be improper use of your report. Improper use of your report. Okay, reporting company, which best describes your problem. Reporting company used your report improperly. Here we go. Have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? Yes, you have. You already sent the trap letter, right? You want to click next, and we're going to come here. So this is the bread and butter, guys. So right here is where you're going to describe your scenario in detail. I don't want to give you a template or a script to write, because once they start getting scripts inside of these boxes, they stop genuinely taking them seriously, right? So you don't want to just flood these people with templates or scripted writing. So everything in this box needs to be an outline of what you did. So you want to say that I sent the credit bureaus my information. I asked them to verify all of my information is being accurate. Came back as verified. I checked my credit report and it's still stating that inaccuracies. What you're going to do, you're going to put all of that here. You're going to put every account and account number pertaining to the case that you want to get removed, right? So First Premier, you want to come to First Premier, type in First Premier. Then you want to put the account number, type that, and then you want to also list the inaccuracies, right? You want to show them exactly the accounts for them to look up, and then scroll down. Once you show them everything pertaining to your case and how you built it properly, you want to scroll down and say exactly, please delete. So you want them to basically delete anything that's still showing as being inaccurate on the credit report. And this is the documents. These are where you're going to basically send off all of the information that you built on. So that can be the credit report, the original credit report. That can be the follow-up credit report after they sent back the response. It can be the response letter. It can be your original letter. It can be everything pertaining to this case. You want to add that all here, because now that you have set them the trap for them to verify the debt, they said they verified, it is still showing inconsistencies. By law, your credit report has to be 100% accurate, verifiable, and timely, and 15 US Code 1681 says that exact thing. You want to put all that in here, guys. This is the case that you're going to build, and then you're going to click next, and then you're going to put the company name. You want to put Experian. This is optional, and then you want to put, yes, you want to play another company. You want to do TransUnion, and yes, TransUnion, and basically follow up and do Equifax as well. And then you want to click next. Now after you click next is basically the last slide is going to basically ask if everything is correct that you want to send in. You're going to send it in. I don't want to send anything. I don't want you guys to see anything pertaining to my personal information, because I had to actually create an account to show you guys the back office of this platform. So this is actually a real account. So I don't want to click next to show you, but this is how you're going to do it. Once you send all of your information into the CFPB, you're going to be able to basically show them that you set the trap and they did not deliver on what's legally required for your credit report, and it will be removed, guys. That's anything, collections, charge off, anything. And if they don't remove everything, guys, come back and file another complaint, or you can do it with the BBB, which is the Better Business Bureau as well. Guys, this is basically it, and this is a game changer. Once you do this, all of your information on your credit should be removed, and you can go to the next step, and that is building. All right, guys, see you next time.